Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the reminder sound in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the general section, click on the reminder sound. And just scroll down and just pick whichever you want. You can pick from these these five if you don't have a monthly subscription, but just click on the one that you like the best. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.